Good morning, students. We are going to start our 4 chapters, that is fraction. Just see what is fraction. Fraction we have already studied that any unit, if we divide into different part, that is known as fraction. Means a fraction is an equal part of a whole. There are different types of fraction. They are unit fraction, like fraction, unlike fraction, proper fraction, improper, and mixed fraction. These all are the types of fraction, and this you have to write as you. I will send on the WhatsApp group to you. You have to write in your notebook also, whatever I will send. Okay, and that will be your define of unit fraction, like fraction, unlike, mixed fraction. Okay, now we will see what is fraction. Fraction, as I told you, is a unit fraction is a number one is called a unit fraction. You can see here. Now see, you can see the first one, example A. You can see the example A. What is given? Half or 1/2 means half. This is 1. This is what? 1. This is 1. And if we divide that into two parts, that will be half. So how we will write 1 upon 2 or half? So it is called what? We have made the partition in the figure. So it is 1 upon 2. Same way, now see in second one, B1, 1/3 or 1/3. So in three part, there are three parts. See, 1, 2 and 3 part. In this, how much is colored? One part is colored. So it will be 1 upon 3. So it is 1/3. Same way, fourth one, if from fourth part, one part is colored. So what we will write? 1 upon 4. So it will be 1 upon 4. Same way, you can do like fraction, unlike fraction, proper fraction, improper fraction. What is unit fraction? A fraction with number 1 is called a unit fraction. Means a fraction with the numerator 1. Numerator 1 means if the numerator is 1, that is called unit fraction. See, second point, fraction that have some denominations are called like fractions. They are having some denomination are known as like fraction. Fraction that have different denominators are called unlike fraction. Same way, the number of proper fraction is less than its denominator. Then it is called proper fraction. A numerator of a proper fraction is less than its denominator is known as what? Proper fraction. And what is now improper fraction? A number of an improper fraction is the same as a greater than denominator. If it is greater than denominator, then it's known as improper fraction. And last one is improper fraction, mixed fraction. A combination of a whole number and a proper fraction is a mixed fraction. Mixed fraction means, and you can see here the digit. You can see here this type, if the number is written 2 7 upon 8 or 2 1 upon 8 or 3, any number is given, then this is known as what? Mixed fraction. Now let us see the exercise. See, first exercise is shade the diagram and show the following mixed fraction. So it will be 1. See, the first question is 1 3 upon 8. So 1 means 1 full you have to shade. Like this is given na, circle is given. This full circle you have to color, and in this 3 part you have to color 1, 2 and 3. So it will be 1 3 upon 8. Same way here 2. So this full you have to color, this both you have to color, and third one is 2 upon 3. From this 3 part, any two side you can color. Means like this you can see that both the side I have colored. Okay. Now see second one, circle the pair of unlike fraction which is not a like fraction, circle. We have to circle that fraction. So 2 upon 5 and 5 upon 6 is what is a pair of unlike fraction, means the both denominators are not same, so it is unlike. So 1 upon 9 and 1 upon 5 is also not same, so it is unlike fraction. See, 2 upon 5 and 4 upon 5, 5 denominators are same, means it is like fraction. 9 upon 11 is not a like fraction. Again see down, 6 upon 8 and 7 upon 9, 6 upon 8 and 7 upon 9 is not a like fraction, so circle. This is also not a like fraction, so we will circle. 7 upon 8 and 5 upon 4 is also not a like fraction. 2 upon 9 and 7 upon 9, 9 is same, so it is a like fraction. Understood? Now see the third question, which is write each of the following as an improper fraction. Improper fraction is given and A1 is 8/7. 8/7 means 8 upon 7. So we have written here 8 upon 7. See B1 9/5, 9 upon 5. So 9 upon 5 parts, 9 के 5 parts. So we will write like this, 9 upon 5. So C1 is 3/2, so 3 upon 2. D1 is 6/6. 6/6 means 6 upon 6, or we can write 1. 6 upon 6, or we can write as 1. Now we will see the next topic, that is finding equivalent fraction, means equal fraction. How we have to find the equal fraction means 1 upon 6 and 2 upon 12 are equal fraction. How we can make it as equal fraction? We can divide that into 2. So how we can make, see 1 upon 6 and 2 upon 12 are equal. How they are equal? We can make them 1 into 2 and 6 into 2. So 2 upon 12. Same way we are going to do, divide 2 upon 12. We will divide 2 by 12 and 2 by 2. Then we will get the answer 1 upon 6. So it is an equivalent fraction. We have to do cross multiplication. 6 2s and 1 12s. So it will be 1 into 12 and 6 into 12. The fraction is said to be its simplest form if the only common factors of the numerator and the denominator is 1. Now see the next, we will see some. See here, do and learn. What fraction is shown by the shaded part? Write the fraction in its simplest form. What portion is shown? Shaded part. कितना shaded part बताया है यहाँ पे? 2. Total is how much? 8. 8 from 8, 2 is shaded. From 8, 2 is shaded, means 1 and 2 portions. So 2 upon 8. So we will write here 2 upon 8. 2 upon 8. And half, how we are going to write half? 4. Write the form in simplest form. So it will be 1 upon 4. So in simplest form we are going to write 1 upon 4 as we are going to cut 2 1s and 2 4s 8. So we are going to write 1 upon 4. Same way B1. How much part is there? Total 8 part is there. From that how much is shaded? 1 2 3 4. 4 part is shaded. So we will write here 4 upon 8. And we can cut this. Yes, we can cut this into the simplest form, that is 4 1s and 4 2s. So here will be 1 upon 2. See, filling the boxes to show each fraction in its simplest form. Same way we are going to see now how from which number if we will divide, then we will get the answer. So 3 we are going to see 1 3s are 3 and 12 divide by 3 will be 4. 12 12 if we will divide, then we will get 4. So it will be 1 upon 4. Same way 6 by 2 if we will do, we will get 3, and 10 multiplied by 2 we will get 5. We will divide, then we will get 5. 6 divide by 2 we will get 3. Now see third one, list some equivalent fraction. list some equivalent fraction, means equal fraction. How we will do equal fraction? 3, 6. So we are going to write here 9, 12, 15, 18, 33, down 11, 22. So 33, 44, 55, 66, means it is like a pattern. We have to do it like a pattern. See, same way here, see 5, 10, 15, so 20, 25, 30. Down here 9, 18, 27, so 36, 45, 54. Like table wise we have to arrange this. This is 3's table, 11s, 5s and 9s. We have to arrange that. Now see, comparing and ordering like and unlike fraction. See, comparing and ordering, how we have to do compare and order. We will see. Arrange the fraction in increasing order. What we have to do, some fractions are given and we have to arrange that in increasing order. So how we are going to arrange that? First, see, 3 upon 7 is there and 2 upon 7 and 5 upon 7. So smallest one is 2 upon 7. So first we will write 2 upon 7, then 3 upon 7, then 5 upon 7. So it is arranged in increasing order. Same way, now see second one. Second one also 11 upon 2, 1 upon 3, 5 upon 8. So first we will write 1 upon 3, smallest number, 5 upon 8, smallest number, and then the 11 upon 12. We have to see the smallest number of the numerator. Third one is 1 upon 5, 3 upon 4. So 1 upon 5. So first we will write 1 upon 5, then 3 upon 10, then 3 upon 4. So we are going to arrange like this in increasing order. Same way now we will see in decreasing order. See, in decreasing order, same way as we have done for increasing order, we are going to see for decreasing order. 2 upon 19, 13 upon 19 and 11 upon 19. So 13 is the biggest number. So first 13 will come, then 11, then 2. Same way B1, 4 upon 9, 2 upon 5 and 3 upon 7. So which is the biggest one? 4. So 4 upon 9, then 3 upon 7, then 2 upon 5. Same way now we will see the C1. C1 is which is bigger? Which is bigger? 5 upon 9, 2 upon 3 and 4 upon 7. So first will be 5 upon 9, then 4 upon 7, then 2 upon 3. So this we have to arrange like this. Okay. Now next topic, addition and subtraction, we will see in the next part.